Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, we're unveiling the best CD players of 2025, perfect for audiophiles, collectors, and anyone who appreciates high-fidelity sound. From sleek, modern designs to feature-rich models, these top picks offer exceptional audio quality and innovative features. Let's dive in. Link in the description below. Number 1. Marantz CD607 CD player. The Marantz CD607 is a premium single-disc CD player that combines high-fidelity audio performance with versatile playback options, making it an excellent choice for audiophiles and music enthusiasts. It features a high-quality 192 kHz 24-bit digital-to-analog converter with 2 selectable digital filters and a highly accurate system clock, ensuring pristine sound quality from your CD and digital media files. The player supports a wide range of audio formats through its front USB port, including WAV, MP3, AAC, WMA, FiiO HD, ALAC, AIFF, and DSD files. The CD6007's build quality is exceptional, featuring a solid chassis and a quiet, responsive disc mechanism. It includes Marantz's proprietary HDA-MSA 2 circuitry for dynamic, accurate, and detailed sound reproduction. The player also boasts a newly developed complex headphone amplifier with gain control, accommodating a wide range of headphones for an optimal solo listening experience. Number 2. Onkyo C7030 CD player. The Onkyo C7030 is a high-performance single-disc CD player that delivers exceptional audio fidelity, making it an excellent choice for audiophiles seeking quality sound reproduction. Equipped with a high-precision clock to minimize timing errors, and Onkyo's proprietary vector linear shaping circuitry, VLSC, to reduce pulse noise, it ensures a clean and accurate audio signal. The player features a Wolfson 192 kHz/24-bit digital-to-analog converter, DAC, providing detailed and dynamic sound across various frequencies. Its robust construction includes a 1.6 mm thick anti-resonant chassis and a solid aluminum front panel designed to minimize vibrations and enhance durability. The C7030 supports playback of standard CDs, CD-RW, MP3, and WMA formats, and offers versatile connectivity options with analog, optical, and coaxial digital outputs. Additional features include a headphone jack with volume control, repeat, and random play modes, and a remote control for convenient operation. With its combination of advanced audio technologies and sturdy build quality, the Onkyo C7030 stands out as a reliable and affordable CD player for high-quality music listening. Number 3. FiiO DM13 Multifunctional Portable Stereo CD Player. The FiiO DM13 redefines portable CD playback by blending retro charm with modern versatility, making it an ideal choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike. This compact device boasts dual Cirrus Logic CS43198 DACs and SGM8262 amplifiers, delivering up to 660 milliwatts per channel through its 4.4 mm balanced output, ensuring exceptional sound quality for a wide range of headphones. Its array of connectivity options, including 3.5 mm and 4.4 mm headphone and line outputs, optical and coaxial digital outputs, and Bluetooth support with aptX HD, allows seamless integration with various audio setups. The DM13 also features USB CD ripping capabilities, enabling users to convert their favorite CDs into WAV files for convenient digital storage. With a robust aluminum chassis, 10-hour battery life, and electronic skip protection, The FiiO DM13 offers a perfect blend of durability, portability, and high-fidelity audio performance. Number 4. Onkyo DX-C390 CD Player. The Onkyo DX-C390 is a versatile 6-disc carousel CD changer designed for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, offering uninterrupted music playback with the convenience of changing up to 5 discs while one continues to play. Equipped with a high-precision multi-bit DA converter and 128x oversampling, it delivers exceptional audio fidelity. The inclusion of Onkyo's exclusive vector linear shaping circuitry, VLSC, ensures a smoother, more natural sound by eliminating digital pulse noise. Its direct digital path design minimizes signal interference, preserving the integrity of your music. The DX-C390 supports playback of CD-RRW and MP3 CDs, providing flexibility in media choices. Additional features include 40-track programming, 6 repeat modes, and both optical and coaxial digital outputs for seamless integration into various audio systems. With its robust construction and user-friendly interface, the Onkyo DX-C390 stands out as a reliable and high-quality addition to any home audio setup. Number 5. Revo Super CD Player. The Revo Super CD Walnut Silver is a premium all-in-one music system that combines timeless design with modern functionality, making it an ideal centerpiece for any music enthusiast's home. Encased in a handcrafted walnut wood cabinet with a brushed aluminum front panel, it exudes elegance while delivering rich, room-filling stereo sound through its built-in speakers. The Super CD offers versatile playback options, including a slot-loading CD player, DAB+, FM, and Internet radio, as well as wireless streaming via Bluetooth with aptX support and Wi-Fi connectivity for access to thousands of online radio stations. Additional features include Spotify Connect, USB playback, dual alarms, and a full-color display, all controllable via the included remote or compatible mobile apps.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.